Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy S9. Start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. In completion we have key for SIM slot and guarantee papers and quick guide. Device. Look him later. In box we have adapter for charging, adapter USB to USB Type-C, adapter micro USB to USB Type-C, second adapter, and this USB Type-C cable and headphones. Okay, good compactation. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side we have 5.8-inch display, talk speaker, front camera, sensors. On the left side volume keys and key for voice assistant. On the right side power key. Upside we have slot, this combined slot, we can use 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the downside we have USB Type-C port, headphones jack, speaker and microphone. On the back side camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. Okay. Open settings, look Android version 8.0.0, version Samsung Experience 9.0 and version Knox 3.1. Open Geekbench 4 and talk system information. CPU Samsung Exynos 9810. This is octa-core processor 4+4. First 4 cores work 1.8 GHz, second 4 cores work on 2.7 GHz. GPU Mali G72, resolution QHD+, display PPI. Okay. RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 64 GB. Look results, CPU test, these best results, and GPU test. Okay, close this. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score. These best results. First place. Multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. Very good. Close this. Next test, GTA San Andreas. Open this game. Max graphic level. Resume game. Start GTA San Andreas again. Okay, game load on the max graphic level and work good. Okay, close Guitar Sundress and next test. Front camera 8 megapixels, main camera 12 megapixels, and now I show you photos on main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.